Yeah. Anyways.
Oh my.
Where was I?
Oh, come on. I got knocked down again.
What? Ah, I did too.
So cool, bro. I can rescue you. Let me catch you out.
Oh. I see. Okay.
Do we have to like fill up with some context on what's been happening?
Oh, what the f? Where's the
one
big
of your
guy?
guys.
Where's the big guy? Where are you at, huh? Where are you, big guy? Oh,
Above.
he's got like his own chair and s- That's cool.
Don't have any more arrows. Wait, she's running away with my. Where did she go?
Headshot at him.
Give me the arrows.
What? Dude, I shot him in the head and he got back up. Dude. Dude, this guy's a monster. What the hell?
Right in the back.
What? I've shot him twice in the head and he still got back up. Jonathan! Jonathan, help! Look at him!
Big shot.
He has 2 arrows in the head. He doesn't care.
Holy shit. How about 3? Oh, okay. How about
4.
3? 4.
Okay. Whoa! Ah!
You don't like getting shot in the head.
Oh. Dude!
How about now?
Did
We
it die?
did it!
Oh, finally. What the hell?
Oh, what the?
Holy sh... Oh. Dude. They got music. Jesus Christ. Look at this chair.
Oh, that's ass.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Woo. 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 Woo.
Go, Kevin! Hello?
Hi. Could I interest you in some... Oh!
What the? What the?
Okay. Take
No,
Kelvin
not
instead.
Kelvin. No, no.
Take
not
Kelvin
Kelvin.
instead. Kelvin, no. Kelvin, come back here, you f***ing pussy. Kelvin! You can't keep running. Kelvin, he's coming after you. Okay, how would we go about making a boat or a raft? Okay, I don't think we can make a boat or raft, so... Gotta risk it for the biscuit.
Are you? Oh, you're going.
I'm so low on health though, so I should probably not do this, but... gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh, what was that? I didn't pay attention. Was that a dolphin? Or a
Stop.
shark?
No, no, stop.
Probably a dolphin, right? Oh, okay, I don't think that's a...
That did not look like a dolphin. I'm
I
going
died.
back.
I died. What? Is that music? A dead
This time
guy.
I won't break it.
Oh, I'll take his watch. Thank you very much. What does this make? Oh, it's just like a loot. Oh, okay. Dude, do you have skin pouches?
Yeah.
Because you can open them. It's like a loot box.
No, it didn't work for me.
What?
Oh, I had to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what the f? Why
They have
did he
loot
have...
boxes in the game, dude. I got a pistol.
Wait, what? Okay, I have to go out there.
And I can combine it with the
please.
pistol rail I found to get, yeah, I don't know what I got. I can almost like stand on you. Stay still.
I don't get it. I don't
There we
understand
go.
what it does.
Don't look up, Jonathan. Don't look
Wait,
up.
what the f? What? What the f?
Sorry, my bad.
Bro, why am I under the ground?
I stood on top of you and then you just fell into the ground.
What the f?
We got a glitch to report, guys. Try going out into the ocean and maybe you'll get free. I don't know. Oh. I mean, I see your head. There we go, Jonathan. Yes.
There you go.
Okay, let's do it again.
No, no. Be afraid. Oh, it works.
There we go.
Emma,
Alright.
Oh,
It doesn't work.
be afraid.
Be afraid, pussy. Motherfucker. Be afraid. Come on. You better be scared, motherfucker.
Oh, stuff.
Stuff? Oh, stuff.
It's a fucking 3D printer.
Oh. What did it make?
Arrows.
Really? Oh, we can change what it makes. Flask?
Can you make
Yeah.
bullets?
Flask would make it so nice.
Dude, this is
Oh.
fucking cool.
Okay, the mask.
What the fuck?
Whoa, dude, chill. What? There's a. Look.
Hmm? What?
Look at him.
Oh, Robo.
Yeah.
Oh, he has no power left.
Do you have a keycard?
Nope.
Oh, dude, this is so nice. Look at the leaves on the trees.
Damn.
That's nice. I don't know why. That's really fucking nice. Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
Whoa.
This is so nice. Ah, you can't make it so nice. Ah.
Mask.
Hey, what's
Where?
up, dude? Where did it go? maybe he's scared? I don't know. Ah! Okay. Hey, mask. We good? We good? We good, right? We good? Dude, there are so many. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm going to shoot.
the mask doesn't work.
I'm going to shoot them.
Okay. Do that. Revive me anytime, you know, anytime. Anytime, you know. Just when you feel like it. Just remind me when you feel like it, you know. It's up to you. You know, it's no hurry, you know. But you know,
Back off.
would be nice if you could revive me, you know. But take your time. No, take your time, you know. It's up to you to decide when to revive me. So, thank you.
You made me use up all my bullets. No, not Okay. You can fucking mess with me.
Okay, I'm kind of
mess
glitched
with-
out right now.
Spectre 1v1.
Dude, what the
No?
hell? I'm so glitched out right now.
What do you mean?
Look, I can't stop. Do you see the spear? I can't stop. I can't
have
do
to
anything.
stab.
I can't do anything.
No, don't do it to him.